Happy days. There is a man who stamps his feet, shouts happy days to the street. I have seen the goblins dance in his ragtag hat over a foot-deep stream. My mother sits in lilac under a thin sheen of dust, behind her my sister and the niece to come. She smiles each day when I touch her face. The dust texture her jet-black mane. The black is darker than eyes see and hides the strands of silver grey. My mother does not care for the silver, black or lilac, only my index finger to smudge her face. She does not see me dip my toes in the lilac stream as the big white quack coruscate ripples serenade my dips. She has not seen the laughter cradling lobster creels. She has not held the canal coot, the heron's suspicious nod, the mute ducks in their plumage of excitement raving exhilaration. My first walk in lilac, long before the April culls or the orange turn yellow. Mixing yellow with memories, appetency soaked in grey sky silence, the fallen communing in seance, muttering bent to the hissing grass. The daffodils I plucked in that walk, recoiled in 7 years dry, sit up straight against the frosted froth in circular stains inside the vase where once there had been water fresh from the tap, fresh from the hills of footsteps mother and I traversed. In this walk I was 4 and she held my hand under a parasol. My mother, who did not hear the valley roar, the coot scream, had her feet anointed on the crisp white beach at Cox's Bazar, her soul smeared albona. When I dipped under the salt, pushed back the Bay of Bengal, my mother smiled. The Bangla boy who could not swim would never abandon the armbands for 5 full years at Dhaka Club's pool, stood a foot deep in the longest stretch of sand anywhere on earth. In that moment I saw her lips paint lilac, the happy days.